This is a package from Spotify. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Well, I already know what's inside, so let's open it up and take a look. So this is the Spotify car thing. So what it is it connects via Bluetooth to your phone, takes USB power. I believe it also comes with a cigarette lighter jack. That is a huge dashboard. And so it's a screen with a big old knob. I believe you can also put a micro SD card in it, perhaps. I think that might be what that is. Alright, so the buttons on the top are actually for presets that you can select, and then you can either click the button or use voice commands to access it. And I guess it especially picks out songs for you for driving, and there's a picture of it on a dash. It looks pretty good. And so it allows you to easily control your music while in the car. Alright, let's open it up. And then I believe it can connect either with Bluetooth or using a 3.5mm audio jack to your car. Alright, slide it out of the sleeve. Nice pink Spotify logo there, made for iPhone and Android. Okay, this is actually pretty cute. It is smaller than I expected. Oh my goodness. I paid $80 for this. Alright, so it is a USB tab. Ooh, listen to that though. Kind of nice. So it is a rubber matte finish actually. Just a button right there. And nope, that's just a little branding tab that says Spotify. Alright, let's see what else we get. Meet car thing. Your daily drive music. Alright, so we get a little packet. I'm assuming that talks about it. Alright, so setting it up. So it is a nice, pretty big screen actually. Okay. I believe there may be an assistant built in. Alright. So all your Spotify normal features. Setting it up. We'll go through that. Alright, so we do get different mounts also. Here is a cigarette jack port. Comes with two USB A's. There's whatever this is. There's, I believe this is a vent mount. Looks like it. We get a rubber thing. I don't think it's quite suction though. Or maybe it is. You'll see that goes in like that. And then we also have a VHB adhesive mount. Alright, and here must be the USB-C charger. Here it is. USB-A to USB-C. High quality braided cable. We also get a cleaning cloth. And then finally, something kind of neat, we get cable management, little silicone clips that you can adhere to your car, which will manage your cables. Very nice. Alright, so I guess let's power it on and set it up now. So there's 5 buttons along the top here. So let's go install it and learn how to use the different mounts. Alright, so let's bring everything outside now and install it. Alright, so let's see how to set this up. First thing to do is connect it to power, but I think let's mount it first. So this is actually for a CD slot. So what you do is you actually take this bit and put it in your CD slot. Just like so, and that feels very secure. And then we can also do, so that's CD mount. So this dash mount, we have the VHB tape. So you could put that like there, or something like that. But I like the angle of the CD slot a lot. You can put it there even, maybe there. Alright, and we could also use the vent mount. So just clips on like so. These are rubber tips. And then just put it on like so. But again, in here I think we're gonna use the CD mount because it fits very conveniently. First I'm gonna get my USB-A to USB-C cable, and we're gonna plug it into the back before mounting. Alright, so now to mount it, gonna need this puck. Oh ho, okay. So it's very magnetic. Alright, that's really nice. So we're gonna push the button, and then when it's in there, we're gonna let it go. And there we go. So actually, to face the driver's side, I'm gonna put it in just like that. And, oh, there we go. This actually looks really nice, I think, in this vehicle. So here's a wider angle view, and that's actually like perfect positioning. Alright, so we have the cigarette lighter to dual USB-A adapter. Gonna plug that in right there. You can also use USB from your car.
Alright, so it's saying that I have to use the adapter, but I think it's just because my USB isn't giving it enough power.
Push that in there. And now let's plug it in and see what happens. Also, this cable may seem obtrusive, but I think it's actually pretty nice. At least it matches this dash. Alright, let's plug it in. Apply power. And it's booting. Alright, let's get started with car thing. So to start setup, let's use my phone to scan the QR code. Alright, now we're gonna continue with setup in the app. Alright, begin setup with car thing. Okay, so let's connect to Bluetooth first. Wait for it to show up. Car thing. Alright. Alright, now we're connected. Alright. Let's use Bluetooth. Okay. Next. Alright, and so if your car does not support native media playback, you can also get a dongle or adapter like this if you also have no auxiliary port, which does work for media.
So now, actually, instead of connecting to my car's Bluetooth audio, we are going to connect to this dongle's Bluetooth audio. So now, after connecting to the dongle, I can hear the sound on my car's speakers.
Alright, so I just clicked this. Now it says connected. Alright, so as we're connected, I believe we just click here. Does this go back? Alright. Microphone on. Phone connection options. Alright, this is back, I believe. This is select. Let's take it to it. Hey Spotify, play some driving music. Okay, let's see. Alright, so right now we're playing driving music. Alright, let's press in. Go home. And it always brings you back. Alright, now finally we're gonna test ease of use while driving, so let's go. Alright, so in terms of ease of use, I can easily control the wheel while driving. Don't even need to look at it because it's nice and big. It's easy to press also, and also the back button. It has a big enough screen, but also small enough so that it doesn't take all of your attention, but you can see enough of it to easily navigate. There's nice large icons here, and overall, I mean, it's nice that it's magnetic, so even like if you wanted to use your CD port once or something, you can actually just switch where you have it mounted magnetically and do that. So thank you guys for watching this review of the Spotify car thing, and we'll see you in the very next video. Bye.